Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Subscribe.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
كان الناس أمة واحدة فبعث الله النبيين مبشرين ومنذرين وأنزل معهم الكتاب بالحق ليحكم بين الناس فيما اختلفوا فيه وما اختلف فيه إلا الذين أوتوه من بعد ما جاءتهم البينات بغيا بينهم فهدى الله الذين آمنوا لما اختلفوا فيه من الحق بإذنه والله يهدي من يشاء إلى صراط مستقيم.
Mankind were one Ummah community. Then Allah sent the prophets bearing good tidings and warnings, and with them he sent down the book with the truth that it might judge between mankind about that wherein they differed, and only those to whom the book was given differed concerning it, after clear proofs had come to them, through hatred one of another. Then Allah, by His will, guided those who believed to the truth of that wherein they had differed, and Allah guides whom He wills to the straight path.
إن الدين عند الله الإسلام وما اختلف الذين أوتوا الكتاب إلا من بعد ما جاءهم العلم بغيا بينهم ومن يكفر بآيات الله فإن الله سريع الحساب.
Only true religion with Allah is Islam. Those to whom the scripture was given earlier differed about it only after knowledge had been given to them, out of envy among themselves. Whoever disbelieves the revelation of Allah, then indeed Allah is swift in reckoning, and if
واعتصموا بحبل الله جميعا ولا تفرقوا واذكروا نعمة الله عليكم إذ كنتم أعداء فألف بين قلوبكم فأصبحتم بنعمته إخوانا وكنتم على شفا حفرة من النار فأنقذكم منها كذلك يبين الله لكم آياته لعلكم تهتدون.
And hold fast, all of you together, to the rope of Allah, and be not divided, and remember the favors Allah has bestowed upon you, how you were enemies, and He joined your hearts in love, so that you became brothers by His grace, and how you were upon the brink of a pit of fire and He saved you from it. Thus Allah makes His signs clear to you, that you may be guided.
ولا تكونوا كالذين تفرقوا واختلفوا من بعد ما جاءهم البينات وأولئك لهم عذاب عظيم.
Be not like those who have become divided and have disputed after clear proofs had come to them. For them there is a mighty chastisement.
وأن هذا صراطي مستقيما فاتبعوه ولا تتبعوا السبل فتفرق بكم عن سبيله ذلكم وصاكم به لعلكم تتقون.
And this is my straight path. So follow it and follow not paths diverse from this, lest they separate you from his way. This he has charged you with so that you may fear him.
إن الذين فرقوا دينهم وكانوا شيعا لست منهم في شيء إنما أمرهم إلى الله ثم ينبئهم بما كانوا يفعلون.
As for those who have made divisions in the religions and become different sects, you have no concern with them in anything. Their case will come before Allah, who will then inform them of what they used to do.
والذين اتخذوا مسجدا ضرارا وكفرا وتفريقا بين المؤمنين وإرصادا لمن حارب الله ورسوله من قبل وليحلفن إن أردنا إلا الحسنى والله يشهد إنهم لكاذبون.
And as for those who chose a place of worship out of opposition and disbelief, and in order to foment dissent among the believers, and to provide an outpost for those who fought earlier against Allah and His Messenger, they will swear, "We desired nothing but good." Allah testifies that they most certainly are liars. Never
وما كان الناس إلا أمة واحدة فاختلفوا ولولا كلمة سبقت من ربك لقضي بينهم فيما فيه يختلفون.
Mankind were but one community. Then they differed, and had it not been for a word that had already gone forth from your Lord, judgment would have been given in respect of that about which they differ. Base
شرع لكم من الدين ما وصى به نوحا والذي أوحينا إليك وما وصينا به إبراهيم وموسى وعيسى أن أقيموا الدين ولا تتفرقوا فيه كبر على المشركين ما تدعوهم إليه الله يجتبي إليه من يشاء ويهدي إليه من ينيب.
He has ordained for you that religion which He enjoined on Nuh, and that which we inspire in you, and that which we enjoined on Ibrahim, and Musa, and Isa, saying, "Establish a religion and do not be divided in it." Oppressive for the idolaters is that to which you call them. Allah chooses for Himself who He wills and guides to Himself him who turns to Him.
وإن طائفتان من المؤمنين اقتتلوا فأصلحوا بينهما فإن بغت إحداهما على الأخرى فقاتلوا التي تبغي حتى تفيء إلى أمر الله فإن فاءت فأصلحوا بينهما بالعدل وأقسطوا إن الله يحب المقسطين.
If two parties of believers start fighting, then make peace between them, and if one party of them oppresses the other, fight the oppressors till they return to Allah's ordinance. Then if it returns, set matters right between them equitably, and be just. Surely Allah loves those who are equitable. Most
إنما المؤمنون إخوة فأصلحوا بين أخويكم واتقوا الله لعلكم ترحمون.
Certainly the believers are brothers, each of the other, so make peace between your brothers, and observe your duty to Allah, so that mercy may be shown to you.
وما تفرق الذين أوتوا الكتاب إلا من بعد ما جاءتهم البينة.
The people of the book did not differ among themselves until the clear proof had come to them.
صدق الله العظيم.